Interrupted with the MAPI Library DLL blocking MAPI Protocol Handler workflow? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before the walkthrough for MAPI Library, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the MAPI Library, the MAPI Protocol Handler library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of MAPI-based data sync and search within Microsoft Outlook. It facilitates the data link for indexing email and contact manifests for shell search results. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. It's important to note that MAPI Library DLL is installed as part of MAPI Protocol Handler and isn't found in Windows by default. Reinstalling the latest official version of MAPI Protocol Handler from the official source will restore the correct version of MAPI Library to your PC. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including MAPI Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Warning: MAPI Library. DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If registry clutter or MAPI library inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve MAPI library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.